What if I told you real 1960s American classics, V8s, convertibles, even a Corvette, are still selling for under $10,000? These aren't rumors, these are real listings. Let's break down the best classic car deals you can buy right now. Number 1. The spirit of the open road. We begin with a true symbol of California cruising, the 1964 Chevrolet Corvair convertible. Finished in a beautiful blue inside and out, this Corvair represents a different philosophy of American engineering. Lightweight, rear-engined, and designed for balance, it's a car meant to be driven, not locked away in a museum. With its straight body lines, classic chrome hubcaps, and honest driver-quality condition, this is the kind of car you take down the Pacific Coast Highway on a sunny afternoon. It's not perfect, and that's exactly the point. It has character. It has stories left to tell. Number 2. Full-size American confidence. Next, we move to pure American presence, the 1966 Ford Galaxy. Big, bold, and unapologetically confident, the Galaxy represents what American full-size sedans did best. Under the hood, a 302 V8 paired with a C4 automatic brings modern reliability into a classic platform, while upgrades like Willwood disc brakes and torque thrust wheels give it a muscular edge. This is the kind of car that feels planted on the road, comfortable enough to be a daily driver, yet special enough to turn heads at every stoplight. It's not a show queen, it's a real car for real enthusiasts. Number 3. Rare design and forgotten luxury. Now something truly special, the 1961 Buick Invicta Bubble Top. This is not a car you see every day. The bubble top roofline is one of the most distinctive designs of the early 60s, a bold experiment in glass and geometry that defined Buick's ambition during this era. Powered by its original numbers-matching 401 nailhead V8, this Invicta offers authenticity collectors value deeply. Yes, it needs interior work. Yes, the body needs attention. But rarity like this doesn't come polished, it comes honest. This is the kind of car restorers dream about and collectors quietly hunt for. Number 4. Personal luxury 1960s style. The 1965 Ford Thunderbird reminds us when luxury was personal. With its long hood, elegant red paint, and iconic fender skirts, this Thunderbird was designed not for speed, but for style and comfort. A 390 V8, rebuilt carburetor, working air conditioning, and thoughtful maintenance make this a true classic cruiser. This car doesn't shout, it glides, and it represents a time when American luxury meant presence, not excess technology. Number 5. Big block presence. Then we meet the 1967 Chrysler Newport Custom, a full-size Mopar powered by a 383 big block. This is raw American muscle wrapped in a formal suit. It runs, drives, and carries the unmistakable weight and authority of a true big-body Chrysler. With room for future improvement and a collection of extra parts included, this Newport is ideal for someone who wants to own a big block classic without paying big block prices. Number 6. The Corvette Dream. Few names carry more weight than Corvette. This 1969 Corvette convertible, though a project, represents one of the most iconic American sports cars ever built. An original 350 automatic car, it's a blank canvas, a chance to restore, customize, or preserve a legend. For many enthusiasts, owning a Corvette isn't about perfection, it's about fulfillment. Number 7. Unique and underappreciated. The 1967 Buick Skylark pillarless sedan proves that rarity isn't always expensive. Pillarless four-door sedans are incredibly uncommon, giving this car the open, airy look of a hardtop with real-world practicality. A 340 V8, upgraded suspension, and fresh interior make it stand out even among coupes. This is a sleeper classic that rewards those who appreciate the details. Number 8. Affordable full-size project. The 1967 Chevrolet Caprice offers a solid foundation for restoration. With a running 350 engine, turbo 350 transmission, and most original parts intact, this Caprice represents one of the best entry points into full-size 60s Chevrolets. Sometimes, value isn't about condition, it's about potential. Number 9. A well-sorted driver. The 1961 Chevrolet Corvair Monza 900 shows what happens when a classic is owned with care. Fresh paint, mechanical sorting by a master mechanic, and dependable drivability make this car perfect for someone who wants to enjoy a classic, not just admire it. This is a reminder that classics can still be used. Finally, we end with one of the most beautiful American cars ever made, the 1965 Buick Riviera. Designed under Bill Mitchell, the Riviera is widely regarded as a masterpiece of 1960s design. With its numbers matching 425 V8 and original California black plates, this is a true collector-grade foundation. It needs work, but greatness always does.
These cars aren't just metal and engines, they're disappearing opportunities. Prices won't stay this low forever. The question is, which one would you buy before it's gone?